Hello, today we will guide you through how to find project ID in GitLab. If you need to locate a project ID in GitLab, this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. The project ID is a unique number assigned to each project, and it is often used when working with integrations, APIs, automation tools, or support requests. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the GitLab homepage to the exact place where you can copy that ID. Begin by opening GitLab in your browser and going to the homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the project you need. Once you're on the GitLab home screen, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In the left navigation, click on Projects. This will take you to your project's dashboard where you can see the repositories or project spaces available to you. If you have access to multiple projects, take a moment to identify the correct one before moving on. This helps avoid copying the ID for the wrong project. Next, click on the project you want to check. In this example, the project shown is a sample project, but in your own account, simply select the relevant project from the list. Once you open the project, you'll be taken to that project's main page. Now direct your attention to the top right area of the project screen. You're looking for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. This menu contains additional actions and shortcuts related to the project. It can be easy to miss if you're scanning quickly, so look carefully in the upper right corner. When you find the three dots, click on them to open the menu. A drop-down list of options will appear. In that list, look for the option labeled Copy Project ID. GitLab displays the project ID there, and selecting this option will copy the number directly to your clipboard. Go ahead and click Copy Project ID. Once you do that, the project ID is copied and ready to paste wherever you need it, such as a configuration field, documentation, or a developer tool. If you want to confirm it worked, you can paste it into a text editor or Notes app. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied your GitLab project ID. This is a simple task, but it can save time when setting up integrations or troubleshooting project-specific settings.